Your curiosity to understand the Constitution is very much appreciated by this class, by me, and I want to thank you for that. Also, I think this will be the last time that we will see each other in a class because we're not full-time students. I will see you talaga. But we will still see each other in the campus later on. But I want you to remember the sacrifices that you have done and the successes that you have done in the class. And I hope that will be the inspiration that you will use to continue on your journey as young teachers. I hope to see you next time in Toga.
Wow.
In the baccalaureate, or in the graduation ceremony. After the next 4 years of English semesters, may dress na ako kung muli God willing, at may dress na rin kayo.
Yes, sir.
That is the goal that I want you to see starting from now if you have not started a goal. I want you to continue your journey. Whatever the challenges you will face, I want you to remember this day that you have finished one of the hardest subjects in law school. In the most simplest form, you have now accomplished it. So, the grade, I will still meet you on Thursday if you want to meet me on Thursday. But if konti lang attendance na mag-meet, sa department na tayo magkita if you want to consult with your grade. But you will see your grade by this week, uploaded in the GC. As well as the names of those who pass the exam for the last time in the GC also. Thank you very much, BSED 1A. You will be remembered as one of my best class.
Wow, that's great.
Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you very much. And let's have a